Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you how can you see hidden comments on Instagram. So if that's what you're looking for, follow up with me. Let's jump right into it. First, open your Play Store or App Store because we need to make sure the app is updated to the latest version for everything to work properly. After that, you can finally go ahead and open Instagram. Make sure you are logged in, and then tap here in the bottom right corner on your profile picture to go to your profile, of course. Here I must tell you guys that you can only reveal hidden comments on your own post, because if somebody did hide comments on their own post, you cannot reveal them using this method. So let's go ahead and find some comments that I have on my post, like this one right here. You can see that there is an option that says see hidden comments. You can go ahead and tap on it to reveal the comments that you have hidden, and if you want to unhide them, you can tap on the unhide button right here and they will be shown in your post for the followers again. So that is, guys, how can you see hidden comments on Instagram. And you can also hide them again, as you can see, by tapping the hide button. That is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And again, thank you very much for watching till the end of this video, and see you in future videos, guys.